Hey CHEFIT sisters! Today we are going to be creating tasty and nutritious meals for the entire family. My name is Jen, I'm a chef and registered dietitian, and today we are going to chef it with CHEFIT, the ultimate sports bra. Hey CHEFIT sisters! Today on Chef It, we are going to be talking about low-calorie cocktails. And we are making over one of my personal favorites, the Moscow Mule. But instead of using ginger beer, we're actually using ginger kombucha. This is low in sugar and absolutely delicious. Now, if you've ever heard of kombucha before, you may know that it's a fermented tea. But what I really like about it is that it has great nutritional benefits to it. So kombucha actually has something called a probiotic, and probiotics are great for our GI system. So good health really starts with the gut. So that's why I like to use it wherever I can, especially in my cocktails. So let's go ahead and make this Kombucha Mule. So first, we take our shaker that's filled with ice. We are going to add our lime juice and our vodka. And then we're just gonna give it a good shake in here with the ice. That'll make it nice and cool. Then just open it up, pour it into our copper mugs. And you see this a lot in a copper mug because it actually keeps the drink cold. So it'll never go warm on you. And I love using the kombucha in this drink because we're not using those refined sugars here. It's just a naturally flavored beverage with some added ginger. And then just to flare it up a little bit, I'm gonna give it a lime slice. And this is gonna complement that ginger flavor really well too. So we can just put it on the side of our drink right there. And then just a little garnish of mint. So that will sit right on top of the drink. And that also makes it really nice and floral too. So when you go to lift it up and take a sip, you're gonna get that nice herbal flavor to it. So very easy to make, only a couple ingredients, and we're leaving out all that excess sugar by using that kombucha as a replacement. Thank you so much for watching Chef It today. I'm Jen, and you can find these full recipes at chefit.com.